Broken window cranks can totally ruin your day when the sash just won't open, and figuring out how to fix it without calling someone can save you a bunch of hassle and cash. So, first off, check if the crank handle is loose or stripped, because sometimes it just needs tightening or a new handle. If the crank feels stiff or won't turn, spray some lubricant like WD-40 into the gears to loosen things up. Next, look for any broken or worn gears inside the crank mechanism. Those usually cause the sash to get stuck. You can get replacement parts online or at hardware stores and swap them out without much trouble. Make sure to clean any dirt or debris from the tracks where the sash slides, since gunk can jam the window. When you reassemble everything, test it gently before fully securing screws so you don't damage the new parts. Also, sometimes the issue is with the sash itself being off track, so pop it back in place carefully. If you keep the crank mechanism clean and lubricated regularly, it'll last way longer and work smoother. Just take it slow and don't force anything too hard to avoid breaking more parts. One of the biggest screw-ups people make with fixing window cranks is ignoring worn gears, which just makes the problem worse and can break the whole mechanism. Always replace bad gears right away. Another common issue is not cleaning or lubricating the crank and tracks, causing stiffness and jamming. A little oil goes a long way here. Lastly, forcing the crank handle when it's stuck can snap parts inside. Instead, back off and check what's wrong before pushing harder. Fix these by inspecting gears carefully, keeping everything clean and oiled, and handling the crank gently while troubleshooting. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors super easy for homeowners who want quick, reliable help with repairs like window crank fixes. Plus, it helps contractors get real jobs in their area without all the hassle of searching around for clients.